important to have a Buteyko practitioner. In the beginning, I was watching YouTube videos and trying some things out, but it didn't work out so well, and I started having some bad reactions, and I didn't know that it was possibly cleansing reactions or if I was doing it correctly or anything. And so I was very glad to have a skilled practitioner that could teach me and to guide me and answer questions and to tailor the practice for me personally. My girls really enjoyed the kids workshop. The practitioner was perfect for them, was soft-spoken and very gentle and nice and kind, and demonstrated the exercises for them very well and repeated things for the kids. And even each time they met, things were repeated to them so they could hear it again and again and kind of get the idea over and over. This is what we're supposed to be doing. And other children there, they could see them practicing and that they weren't strange or weird doing these things, that other kids were joining along and doing the same things, and other kids were having even the same struggles that they were or having similar experiences that they were. And they get to see the kids' scores and be challenged by that and try to achieve scores similar to them. And so it helps also having follow-up. They can be accountable in their practice and see our practitioner again next month. And very helpful to have something just for the kids. But then it was also helpful for me to be 2 weeks ahead of them in my practice. So I had experienced some of the cleansing reactions. I had experienced some of the pains that come up during practice, and I understood what they were going through. And so we could talk about those things and I could help them along. And even some things that were said during the kids' practice, I picked up on that helped me in my practice. So it went both ways.